My name is Sumit. I'm from VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, BTech, Triple E. I got selected in American International Group, AIG. It's a multinational insurance company. I went through the test papers that were given in the campus interaction title page. There were some questions along with it, and many of the other students are also posting questions which are related to my test paper that were held for the placement procedures. I went through them. I gave certain tests, around 10 or 20 tests were there in each division. Like in English, there were some 50 papers, and then it was in logical reasoning there was there, and there were aptitude also. I went through all of these, and I coordinated with other people also who are on the campus interaction page, and they supported me. I have attended many companies, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, SAP, Sapient. Then there are many other companies were there, but I got selected in 3 mass recruitment companies like Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant, and then finally I got selected in this American International Group. It's an insurance company, but it deals with many other things also. My profile was data analyst. I didn't prepare that much. It just was simple interaction. There were 2 rounds, technical and HR. So I got a good technical skills, so I could easily get through that. Then in the HR round, that was a basic interview. They asked me about myself and the things that I'm gonna do for the company, and what kind of attitude you would have for this certain profile, job profile. So I give them the detail that I have with me. I prepared like I went through the company, what does the company do, and where are its divisions, where are its branches, and what kind of job I would have to do in that company. So I talked to the HR manager, and they had a good conversation with them. That's it. They give me a situation where when if I would be put in a group where if somebody is not doing his work properly, what should I do if I'm the team leader? In that scenario, I said that I would talk to that guy and I would pursue him to do well. If he doesn't go along with me, I will try to be friendly with him to a certain extent. After that, I can't do anything. I have to go to the manager. That's it. The toughest question was in the technical division. They asked me about what are the basic requirement in the power plant that everybody should be procured about, because it's an insurance company that deals with property insurance. So they need to know whether I have that ability to analyze the risk that the people working in that power plant and all things have that kind of skills. The nervousness is a good thing. You should have nervousness because it shows that you want the job. And if you are nervous, don't be over nervous. Just be a little bit nervous, because they want to know whether you want the job or not. If you don't show them that you don't want the job, then they will not going to give you, because everybody around you is also having the same qualification that you have, but you need to be more precise toward the job. You should be well prepared for the job, in a proper haircut, shaved, a proper formal dress you should wear, not went in sleepers or something. Should be wearing your formal white shirt, cleaned white shirt. It's because the company look at you as a future employee, so they needs to know about yourself and how do you behave in a certain kind of situation and how do you dress in certain places. So you can't be going informal and all, but they will test your patience also. Sometimes they will make you wait for some particular minutes, 15 hours or like 2-3 hours. Then at that situation you need to calm yourself down and be prepared for the interview. They asked me about myself, that how would you rate yourself in the technical division and in the communication skills. So I gave the answer. Then I asked them that whether how would they scale me. So they smiled and they said after the interview you will get. just be calm, prepare well for the technical round. First round is most important. If you get cleared that through that, then other thing is all depend on your how do you present yourself in front of the interviewer. The first thing is the main thing, that the technical and the aptitude and all. You should prepare. Go through the campus interaction page and go through some tests. Many websites are available on the net that give you some test analysis, because questions are like easy questions. They're the same question, they will repeat many times, but you need to be precise about the answer. Every time you have to be 100% sure whether you are doing the correct thing or not. First round, if you clear the first round, then the next rounds are all depending on luck and your performance on that day. The campus interaction page is very innovative thing and very helpful for the students for the fresh final years. You get to know about what kind of situation are there in the interview and what kind of situation are there in the exams. Many people are there on the campus interaction who gives you idea how to deal with certain companies, because every company has their own needs. Some would take HR round, some would take technical only, or some would take only a GD or a group activity, or we can say. So there are certain things that we should know before going for a certain company.